If you want to use the London Underground and not have to use an Oyster card, this video will offer some choices here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. The London Underground is a fast and quick way to get around London, whether to visit popular attractions or commute from A to B. Using the tube is a great way to help get you where you need to go. To use this service, you use an Oyster card to tap in and out. But if you choose to, there are other ways you can use the London Underground without one. One way is to use your debit card. There is no difference in fares. You'll pay an adult rate fare. If you have a debit card outside of the United Kingdom, be aware it may not work outside of your own country. Or there may be added foreign transaction fees, and it may be applied when you use it. So, getting an Oyster card may be a better option. Best contact your bank for more details. Another way to pay is using your credit card. The London Underground accepts MasterCard and American Express to tap in and tap out, but some Visa cards outside of the United Kingdom won't work. You'll pay an adult fare, and like the debit card that is not from the United Kingdom, there may be additional fees and charges applied depending on the type of credit card. So, it's best to contact your card provider before you choose to use it. You can download the TFL, that stands for Transport for London, Oyster and Contactless app from your phone, and use it like an Oyster card when you tap in and tap out. Or you can also use Apple Pay or Google Pay, as the London Underground takes contactless payments. If you want to know how to get an Oyster card or visitor Oyster card, check out these videos. Want to learn how to use the London Underground? Check this out and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.